Well, hello there, Skywinders. Welcome back to another episode of Skywind007. On today's episode, we have this right here. This is the Napa Platinum filter. This is an oil filter and it's for my car. So this seems like an awkward thing to review on YouTube, but there's a good reason why I picked this filter over other filters. Basically, this is the lowest resistance filter that I could find out. I went to this channel and I'm going to show you right here what that channel is, and according to their experiments, and they used this machinery to test various filters and their resistance, their pressure resistance, and this came out as the best one as far as pressure resistance. They measured other metrics, but I'm only interested in pressure resistance because my car has dry start, and my theory is that the more pressure resistance a oil filter has, the higher the problem as far as dry starts, because when you start your engine, what you want is oil pressure to get there fast. But when you have one of these one of the modern filters with a lot of filter media or a lot of filter material, that paper that they put, that will hold back the oil from flowing, and the result is that it won't get to the engine fast enough. And the result of that, of course, is a dry start that lasts for about 1 or 2 seconds. So my next experiment is going to be this, and we're going to put this in and we're going to see if the dry starts go away. So let's go. So we're going to see if we can hear that rattle, that dry start. So just keep your eyes on the oil lamp. Yep, it's there. Okay, so just make sure you keep an eye on the oil lamp, which is right here. It's going to stay on for a few seconds. It's going to stay on for a few seconds after I crank. Okay folks, so it is time to put the Napa Platinum in. So let's go under there and let's do it. Now, as you can see, the filter in this car is lateral. In any case, let's take it out. Okay folks, so it is time to get this car off the ramps, and I'm going to start it and we're going to listen to the engine. And we're going to see if that dry start is still there, but we really have to wait 5 hours or more than 5 hours to make sure that all the oil settles to the bottom. Then we're going to start it again. That's going to happen tomorrow because it is nighttime. And we're going to start it again and we're going to see if that dry start is there or if it's gone. But let's just listen to the engine right now just for fun. Okay, so let's turn on the engine. Let me turn on the light so you can see everything. And let's see the temperature.
Connected.
So it is cold. So that's a good thing. The engine is cold. Let's open the door so we can hear the engine. And keep your eyes on the oil lamp. Wow, that was good. Remember, we have to wait 6 hours or so to get the real answer. See if this actually worked. Okay folks, so it is the following day, as you can see, and it's been 12 hours since I last turned this engine on. So I'm very hoping that this works, because this is the 3rd time I drained that oil because I used different oils. So I'm hoping that this Napa filter does something good. So let's go in. Okay, so here we go. So keep your eyes on the oil lamp. Wow. Wow. Thank God. Thank God it worked. I am so happy. I've been working on this for a long time and this actually worked. Unbelievable. Success. I am happy to say that the Napa Platinum, it solved the problem. Wow, thank God. So let's go indoors for the final thoughts. Okay folks, so it is time to end this video, and I'm very happy with this experiment. Like I said, everything went perfect. I'm very happy. I didn't really think this would work, but it did. Just for your information, this is the oil that I have in that car right now, the Super Tech. I'm pretty sure it's not about the oil, it's about the filter, but just for information, I'm going to show you that. Everything I said in this video is my opinion. Like I said, I'm not an expert, but I say this, I want to make this disclaimer because I don't want to get sued by anybody. This is just my opinion, but I'm very confident about it, but it's still my opinion. And I do have free speech. So in any case, thank you for watching, subscribe, and thumbs up.